Hi everyone, this is Anthony Bernard with the Calgary Real Estate Investor Hub. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I want to talk about why real estate typically outperforms the stock market. So real estate investing has been one of the main wealth generators for a long time, and there's several reasons why it tends to outperform the stock market. First and foremost, real estate allows for leveraging of borrowed money to purchase properties in a safe manner. So if you had $100,000 to invest and you decided to buy stocks, you would be able to buy exactly that, $100,000 worth of stocks. Now, if you had $100,000 to invest in real estate, assuming a 20% down payment, you would be able to get a $500,000 property. Although you could also leverage your purchase of stocks with margin trading or other types of loans, due to the larger volatility of the stock market, the risk associated would be much greater and the cost of lending would typically be much higher than on a mortgage on real estate. So let's do a thought experiment. Let's say your stock portfolio increased by 8% on a given year and you had invested $100,000. Your investment would now be worth $108,000. So let's say you invested that same amount of money to purchase real estate using a 20% down payment, which would get you a $500,000 property, and that property increased in value by only 3%, so quite a bit less than the 8%. So 3 to 8% on that same given year, even though the return appears to be lower, because of leverage, that property would now be worth $515,000, ignoring cash flow. That's a $15,000 increase on that same $100,000 or 15% return versus $8,000 increase or an 8% return. And that's with only 3% again versus 8%. So this is the power of leverage. And this is why real estate is also a great hedge against inflation. Secondly, when you invest in real estate, you invest in tangible assets. When you buy a property, you own a physical piece of land and building, and these assets are typically less subject to rapid market fluctuations compared to stocks. Another great benefit of real estate is that you have more control over your investment's performance. Unlike stocks, where you're at the mercy of market forces and company decisions, real estate investors can actively improve the property's value through strategic renovations, upgrades, and management efficiencies, amongst other things. This level of control allows real estate investors to directly impact their investment's profitability. Now let's talk about cash flow, which is a crucial aspect of real estate investments. Profitable ventures in real estate, including the ones we like to buy and recommend to our clients, produce positive net cash flow. As long as you have tenants occupying the property and paying rent, you can depend on a steady stream of income. This passive income should cover expenses, build wealth over time, and provide financial stability. So in conclusion, although stock market investing has its merits, such as increased liquidity and a more passive investment, real estate offers unique advantages that often lead better long-term performance. Leverage, owning tangible assets, increased control on the investment, and cash flow are some of the key reasons why real estate tends to outperform the stock market and why we love real estate so much. That's it for today's video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more investing content.